Today we are going to talk about the sleeping positions that reveals about your personality. Today we are really excited to present a simple test that can reveal a lot about who you are. Trust us, it's really straightforward. Watch this video and pick a position which you think you sleep in most of the time to learn something new about yourself. Position 1. The fetus. This is one of the most popular sleeping positions in the world. If you mainly sleep in the fetus position, then you often feel that you to be protected, understood, and sympathized with. By crawling up this way, you literally try to cut yourself off your problems you face day after day. Although you seem tough, you are a very sensitive person. The perfect outlet for your talents and potentials would be paint, learning to dance, or blog. Don't be shy, unleash your creativity. Position 2. The soldier. If you sleep like a soldier at attention, lying on your back with arms at your sides, then you probably a well-adjusted person. You know your life goes on single-mindedly, strive to achieve. You can be strict and take demanding, but mostly to yourself. Above all, you are a good listener. That's why you have a lot of friends. Position 3. On the stomach. If you sleep lying on your stomach with arms and legs taking out, then you can call yourself a leader. As an impulsive person, you take the initiative, and sure, there is order in both your personal and professional life. You prepare to plan everything in advance, and you aren't a big fan of surprises. You can hardly cope with personal criticism, but your ability to persevere and your sense of responsibility help you to achieve great success. Position 4. On your back. If you sleep lying on your back, then you most likely a positive person who loves life and a good company and also like to be at center of attention. You work stubbornly and persistently, but in a rational way. But always tell the truth. People who sleep in this position often have very strong personalities. Position 5. With the knees out. Scientists say that this is the one of the healthiest positions. Sleep soundly through the night. There is another fact. If you can sleep without sticking your knees out, then you are a calm and reliable person. It is not easy to offend you, and you are not scared of the future. You smile even on the most miserable winter morning and can adjust any changes that occur in your life. Seems that you are the mystic one. Position 6. With one knee up. If you sleep like heroes with one knee up, then you might be an unpredictable person, often drawn to all kinds of adventures. However, sometimes your mood changes so fastly. It can be confusing for people that surround you, but often you find it difficult to deceive and make a choice. In general, you have preferenceability of peace, quiet in work and in life. If you sleep in different poses rather than one, that's a sign that you have a multi-positive personality. It means you have some hidden depths, not even you know yourself fully comprehend yet. Well, it's true for me. How about you? We will write about your personality. Share your thoughts in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe.